everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about being comfortable but being trendy and stylish while you're comfortable. So we are gonna style some track pants, sweatpants, more like it, not track pants. Yeah, we all love to be comfortable, and there's those days, I mean there's days that we all like to dress up, but then there's obviously those days that we just, you know, like we wanna look kind of cute, but at the same time we want to be comfortable. We don't want to wear jeans, we just want to wear sneakers and sweatpants. But how do we do that by still looking absolutely amazing and feeling absolutely amazing? Because I know sometimes when I do put on sweatpants, sometimes you can kind of feel blah blah blah. And today's video is all about dressing those sweatpants up to the point where you're comfortable but still looking awesome. So the two pairs of sweatpants I'm gonna style for you are these ones, which I've showed you previously in my try on haul. They almost look like pajamas, so that is why I'm gonna style these guys, because sometimes sweatpants that look like pajamas are very easily used as a lounging pants, but I'm going to show you how to wear these out and be comfortable and warm at the same time. These ones were from Old Navy, and they are like that furry sort of material, so we are going to style these, I think, two different ways. Just going to change things around a little bit with the same outfits on, maybe the shoes, just to show you how things can be, same pants can be worn in a couple of different ways. Yeah, and then the other ones that I have are just plain old black ones, which I know everybody has. These are the plain old black ones. They're the Abercrombie ones. I showed you these. I've just recently purchased these ones as well. I do always roll them up because I'm super short and I need them to be rolled up all the time. So, I mean, these are also one of those that you will wear them out, but you know, sometimes you can feel sloppy in them. So I'm gonna show you how to wear them and not feel sloppy. Anyways, this video is gonna be a vlog style video. I'm just finding it a little bit easier to show you the whole outfit from head to toe, rather than doing it the other way. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, so this is the first one. I did take those sweatpants and I put on just a tank top underneath it, so it's a little bit more fitted. This one is from Zara. It's just one of their basic tank tops. And then I put a white, just a zip-up hoodie, and then a denim jacket on top. I always, when it comes to sweatpants, like to put on something a little bit more fitted at the top, so that way you don't look too frumpy. You're a little bit more stylish and more on trend. And then I did pair it with my Fila sneakers, the white ones, because of the white hoodie, just kind of brings the whole outfit together. I do have Reeboks that match the whole outfit. I could do that as well if I wanted to, but yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. I love the way this whole outfit looks together. You're still comfortable, but at the same time you're trendy and you look put together and you look like literally put together, but you didn't really take that much time to put it together, right? So as long as you've got that kind of like idea of like something fitted at the top and something baggier at the bottom as your sweatpants, and then yeah, you can always go from there. And then just add the accessories such as the hoodie and the jacket on top of it. So yeah, so that one is the very first one. Through your veins, it's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above and the night is... Okay, so the second outfit with the same track pants are these kind of this camo tank top that I have on. And then I paired it with a long cardigan. See, now this cardigan is quite dressy, but I was able to make it a little bit more casual with the sweatpants. And then the shoes I put on are actually my Doc Martens. So everything looks really well. You're not wearing sneakers, so you don't look like you're kind of sloppy. Not to say that sneakers make you look sloppy, because I was wearing them in my other one, but it just kind of brings this whole outfit a little bit more together. Because the cardigan is a little bit more dressier, the boots go really well with it, and that's why I love this sort of tone, this color, because it's lighter, but yet it looks really well with like the like army green colors, the camo color.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel
okay, so now the second pair of sweats, the Abercrombie one. This I think is one of the easiest way to put together sweatpants. It is simple, it is black, it is comfortable, but yet it's still put together, mostly because I added the little bit matters. So I added the cardigan on top, so it is like a shorter cardigan, not the long one, and then I paired it with my Reebok sneakers, which kind of brings the cardigan in together, and then my black crop top from Topshop. And yeah, it is actually like, I don't know, I would call this like one of those like days where it's kind of dreary outside. I don't know, but this is one of the most easiest way to put on sweatpants and still look like you've kind of tried, and you look effortless, and you look trendy.
Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us. So let's just stay together, make our own forever, be my guilty pleasure.
Okay, so the last one. This one I think by far is probably the most edgier looking sweatpant outfit, because what I did was I just changed the top again from black to green. The cardigan I switched over to the longer dressier style, and then I put on the docks underneath it. So like I said before, it's really easy to add docks if you would put on something like a longer cardigan. You can definitely put it on with the shorter one too, but I just find it a little bit more easier to do it that way. And then of course the sweatpants are exactly the same. So I've kind of like used items from all the outfits and kind of mixed and matched them, which you can always do, and it's cheaper on your wallet and better for not cluttering your closet up with so many clothes. But yeah, this one I love because this is a little bit more edgier, and I love the edgier kind of style.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above.
Well, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was nice, short, sweet, just on how to style sweatpants. So do use the tips and tricks that I give you in this video in your world, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Yeah, and let me know what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at Canby Reha, and I will see you in